So in this video, we'll be working on speeding it up without touching much of the audio pitch. Yes, so we're trying to retain the audio pitch and still speeding it up. So let's see. So let's play the video.
This helps subscribe for more editing tips coming your way, and if you have any question or
so this is the video. So let's speed it up. You go to speed and duration. Let's speed it up to 200. Then maintain audio pitch. Make sure that here is clicked. Then select OK. So let's check.
so like this helps subscribe for more editing tips coming your way, and if you have any question or any doubt of anything, comment and I'll definitely reply you and solve your problem. Yes, that's what I'm here for. So see you guys in the next video. I'm bye for now.
So that's it. If the speed is too much, you can reduce it to probably 115 or whatever value percentage you want.
And if you have any question or any doubt of anything, comment and I'll definitely reply you and solve your problem. Yes, that's what I'm here for. So see you guys in the next video. I'm bye for now.